Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about the Star Health Assure policy, a powerful and updated health insurance plan for individuals and families. Let's understand all its benefits, features and coverages in simple words. What is Star Health Assure plan? This is a health insurance plan by Star Health and Allied Insurance for both individuals and families. The biggest highlight, your sum insured gets automatically refilled unlimited times during the policy year. It also offers a 20% wellness discount on renewal premiums. This policy provides room rent coverage. It even covers non-medical items like gloves, masks, and oxygen cylinders during hospitalization. Annual health checkup is included in this plan. Plus, it includes pregnancy-related cover such as delivery expenses, in utero fetal surgery, interventional treatments, assisted reproduction treatments, newborn baby expenses. Sum insured options. You can choose your coverage amount, sum insured starting from 5 lakhs rupees and going up to a maximum of 2 crores rupees. This gives flexibility based on your budget and healthcare needs, whether you want basic coverage or full high-end protection. Policy tenure options. The Star Health Assure policy comes with 3 tenure options: 1 year, 2 year and 3 year policy. Network hospitals. You will get access to a wide network of more than 14,000 hospitals across India. No pre-policy medical test required. For most individuals, there is no need to undergo a medical test before purchasing this plan. Waiting period for pre-existing diseases. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions, they will be covered after a waiting period. Top benefits of Star Health Assure policy. Covers non-medical items. Expenses on gloves, masks, oxygen, etc. are covered, which most policies don't offer. Unlimited automatic restoration of sum insured. Whether your sum insured is used partially or fully, it will be restored 100% unlimited times during the year. Wellness discount. Earn up to 20% discount on renewal by collecting more than 750 wellness points. Preventive health checkup included. Get a complete health checkup every year under this plan. Cumulative bonus. Get a 25% increase in sum insured every claim-free year up to a maximum of 100%. Eligibility criteria. Coverage types: individual and family floater. For family floater, adults 18 to 75 years, children 16 days to 17 years. Once a child turns 18, they'll be counted as an adult and continue under the same policy until marriage. For individual plan, entry age 91 days to 75 years. For children, needs a good health declaration and pediatrician opinion. Family definition. The Star Health Assure policy covers self, spouse, children, parents and parents-in-law under a single family floater plan. What is covered? This plan covers inpatient hospitalization, non-medical items like oxygen, gloves, masks, etc., emergency road and air ambulance, pre- and post-hospitalization expenses, daycare procedures, organ donor expenses, pregnancy and delivery coverage, in utero fetal surgeries, assisted reproductive treatments, newborn baby expenses, home care treatments, domiciliary hospitalization, asthma treatment, chronic severe refractory, compassionate travel and repatriation of mortal remains, Ayush treatment, shared accommodation benefit, modern treatments, rehabilitation and pain management. Second, medical opinion, treatment under valued service provider network. What's not covered? Exclusions, maternity expenses not under pregnancy coverage. Obesity and weight loss treatments, alcohol, drug de-addiction treatment, vaccinations, sterility infertility treatments, treatments taken outside India, intentional self-injury, adventure, hazardous sports injuries, congenital external defects, cosmetic or plastic surgery, dietary supplements, unproven or experimental treatments. Waiting periods. Initial waiting period 30 days. Specific illness 24 months. Pre-existing diseases 30 months for 3-year tenure, otherwise 36 months. Delivery expenses 24 months. In utero fetal surgery intervention 24 months. Assisted reproduction 24 months. Newborn baby cover 12 months. So friends, the Star Health Assure policy is a complete health insurance solution with excellent features and benefits. Whether you're looking for family or individual coverage, this plan gives you peace of mind and strong financial protection during medical emergencies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insurance updates. Hit the bell icon to never miss an important update. For more information or to buy this policy, contact us today.